Hi, and welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. On this episode, we'll be making Snow What Fun gift tags for the holidays. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk at Willard Public Library while supplies last. Each kit includes supplies to make 3 gift tags. You should receive 3 snowman patterns printed on brown paper, 3 pieces of upcycled book pages, 1 small piece of orange cardstock, a brown colored pencil, and a small bag of decorations that includes a couple of wooden snowflakes, some flat-sided stars, and 15 black rhinestones for the eyes and buttons. Your kit will also include 3 pieces of string that measure a foot each and 3 pieces of ribbon that measure 6 inches each. You will also need to gather a glue stick or liquid glue and 1 pair of scissors. Start by laying one of your snowman patterns on top of one of your book pages, then take your scissors and cut around the edge. Next, we're going to glue our 2 snowman cutouts together. If any of the black lines from your snowman pattern are still showing, apply your glue to that side to cover it up. After the glue has dried, you can use your scissors to clean up the edges. Now comes the fun part, decorating our snowman. You'll see here I'm using my orange cardstock to cut out his carrot nose. Then I'll be adding 5 of those black rhinestones for his eyes and buttons. Here I'm going to put a stripe of glue down the back of my snowman's head. Then I'm going to take one of the strings in my kit, make a loop, and put the ends into that glue. You can take your snowman's scarf to cover up the ends of the string. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue here. I'm putting my scarf a little bit off center so that when I turn it over and attach it at the front, it looks like the scarf is blowing in the wind and the 2 ends aren't exactly the same length. This is just my personal preference. You can do your scarf however you like. I'm going to add a couple of those embellishments to the bottom of my snowman. So here I'm putting on one of the snowflakes and a little star. And then as a final touch, I'm going to make the snowman look a little bit aged. So all I'm going to do is take that brown colored pencil and just kind of shade around the edges. And there you have it, the cutest little snowman gift tag to add a handmade touch to any of your gifts. Happy holidays from all of us here at Willard Public Library.